What marketing experts need to know about what influences modern customers. The psychology of influence and how to use it in marketing. In the age of nearly perfect information, customers are savvier than ever before and can easily see past traditional marketing ploys. To be successful, businesses need to employ more sophisticated methods to reach and influence their target audience. Studies in this field have shown that there are certain factors that can influence a person's behavior. By understanding these factors, businesses can create marketing campaigns that are more likely to succeed. Some of the most important factors that influence customer behavior include social norms. People are more likely to conform to what is considered normal or acceptable in their social group. Authority. People are more likely to obey authority figures, such as business leaders or experts. Liking. People are more likely to be influenced by people they like and trust. Scarcity. People perceive things to be more valuable when they are scarce or in limited supply. By understanding these principles, businesses can create marketing campaigns that are more likely to influence their target customers. The power of social media and digital marketing in business. In the age of nearly perfect information, customers are savvier than ever before and can easily see through traditional marketing ploys. One of the most powerful tools at businesses' disposal is social media. Through platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, businesses can reach a large number of potential customers with little effort. When used correctly, social media and digital marketing are powerful tools that can help businesses reach and influence their target customers. The power of storytelling in marketing. People have been telling stories since the dawn of time. It's a deeply ingrained part of our human nature. Marketing experts need to understand the power of storytelling and how it can be used to influence customer behavior. In today's age of nearly perfect information, customers are savvier than ever before and can easily see through traditional marketing ploys. To be successful, businesses need to employ more sophisticated methods to reach and influence their target audience. One way to do this is by using the principles of storytelling. Studies have shown that stories have a profound effect on the human brain and can be used to influence emotions and behavior. Why branding is so important in today's market. A strong brand can help businesses to reach and influence potential customers in a number of ways. First, a strong brand can help businesses to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Second, a strong brand can help businesses to build trust with potential customers. Third, a strong brand can help businesses to create an emotional connection with potential customers. In today's age of digital marketing, it is essential for businesses to find ways to connect with their target audience on an emotional level. Fourth, a strong brand can help businesses to tap into new markets. Branding is a powerful tool that can help businesses to reach and influence potential customers in a number of ways.
Be sure to like and subscribe. And check out the links below.